In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Golden Blitz on Monopoly Go. To participate in the Golden Blitz event in Monopoly Go, follow this step. So the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Monopoly Go on your device and head over to the Golden Blitz menu. So if the Golden Blitz menu is a currently active event, you'll be able to find it at the right side of your screen. So you'll need to click on the Golden Blitz menu icon to be able to view the tasks that you'll need to accomplish for the Golden Blitz event to get various rewards. So once you click on that Golden Blitz event icon, two cards will appear on the screen. So you'll need to choose the sticker that you already own an extra of and exchange it for a golden sticker. Now once you use the ask option, you'll be able to request a trade from a friend. So make sure that you added this friend on the game. Take note that Golden Blitz is a limited time event, so make sure to participate while it's available. And it is an event that happens only once a month and lasts only for 24 hours. And that's how you can get Golden Blitz event on Monopoly Go. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.